Have you ever thought about buying a home but felt like you had no idea where to start? Well, this video is for you. I'm going to break down the most common loan options as simply as possible and show you how people are buying homes today with less money than you probably think is possible. My name is Xavier Gordon. I'm a local real estate agent here in Western North Carolina with Keller Williams. And a lot of folks aren't as far off from owning a home as they think. They just don't understand the options that are available. First things first, what exactly is a home loan? Well, basically, it's a bank or a lender giving you money to buy a house, and you pay it back monthly over time. The big things that matter are how much money you put down, your credit score, your debt to income ratio, and your total income. Different loans are designed for different types of people. Here's a secret weapon. Let's start with one of the best options, especially around here, USDA loans. USDA stands for United States Department of Agriculture. But don't let that confuse you. This isn't just for farms. What USDA loans are loans designed for people to buy homes in what's considered rural areas. And in Western North Carolina, that includes a lot more than you think. Some of the key benefits are zero money down, lower monthly mortgage insurance compared to other loans, competitive interest rates, and some of the basic requirements you'll need are a moderate income. There are income limits based on household size. A typical credit score around 640 is ideal. The home has to be in a USDA eligible area, and it has to be your primary residence. It can't be an investment property. So what's a rural area? And here's the cool part. Rural doesn't mean middle of nowhere. Places just outside of Asheville, Hendersonville, Fletcher, parts of Buncombe, Madison, and Haywood, a lot of these areas qualify. So how do you check? Well, if you want to check yourself, just hop on Google, type in USDA eligibility map. Click the map, type in the address or the area, and it'll literally tell you if it qualifies. It's one of the easiest tools you can use. Next up, it's FHA loans. These are great for people who maybe don't have perfect credit or a ton of money saved. Some of the key benefits are a 3.5 down payment, more flexible credit, and easier approval compared to conventional loans. Some of the basic requirements are a credit score typically between 580 and 650, 3.5% down payment, stable income, and stable work history. Who is FHA best for? Well, if you've ever had a few bumps in your credit or early on in your financial journey, FHA is a really solid option to get your foot in the door. Then you've got conventional loans, which are more traditional. These are usually best if you got a strong credit, 620 to 700, good amount of savings, and want to avoid some of the extra fees over time. I guess the biggest thing I want to take away from this today is that you don't need to have everything perfect to buy a home, but you do need to know what options are available for you. There are programs literally designed to help people like you get started today. Even if you're thinking about just buying or curious what you might qualify for, please feel free to reach out to me. I'll connect you with a solid local lender, and together as a team, we can map out your path to home ownership. No pressure. And even if you're thinking you're 6 months to a year out, it's worth knowing where you stand now so we know how to get to where you want to be. I'm Xavier Gordon, local real estate agent here in Western North Carolina with Keller Williams, helping people make smart moves and build their future by design. Thanks again for being part of the journey, and God bless.